Circuit high codes look like a broken sensor, but are often a clue to deeper wiring or circuit issues. In this lesson, you'll learn what the code really means, how to decode the system's behavior, and how to zero in on the actual fault before replacing any parts. Before the code sets, the ECU monitors sensor signal voltage through its fault detection pipeline. If the signal rises above the allowed threshold, regardless of the root cause, the ECU logs a circuit high fault. But all it really knows is the measured voltage, never the real reason behind it. Instead of trusting a single sensor or code, compare the suspect value against related data. Plausibility checks, performed by the ECU or by you, help find contradictions. If one sensor's value is high, but others disagree, or system conditions don't match, the fault is likely in the circuit, not the sensor itself. A proper diagnostic test requires direct measurement at strategic test points. Using a meter or scope, you'll check voltage at the ECU pin and sensor connector under load. A signal stuck high could mean an open signal wire, a disconnected sensor ground, or a weak connection. Only loaded testing exposes the truth, beyond the ECU's limited view. Your measurements will point to a handful of true fault locations. If power and ground are good and the signal stays high even under load, look for an open signal wire or resistance in the sensor ground. Each test result narrows the path. Never assume the sensor is to blame until the whole circuit tests out. The biggest mistake with circuit high codes? Replacing a sensor just because of the code. Many times, the real issue is a break, poor connection, or shared reference fault. Always demand physical proof. A part swap without testing can hide the real problem and create new ones. When you face a circuit high code, start by understanding what the ECU really knows. Compare related values for plausibility, and prove fault location with loaded measurements. Only repair what the evidence confirms. Never simply swap parts based on a DTC. Thanks for learning with STEP. Remember, the best diagnostics start with logic, not luck. Proof before parts, every time.